Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learning During Lockdown. So, today we're going to learn how to solve inverse proportion questions. So, this is how we write or we represent two values which are inversely proportional to each other, which means A is inversely proportional to B, or if we add in the constant, then we can write it as A equals K over B. Okay, let's start the first example. So the question says that y is inversely proportional to x, and we are asked to fill in this table. So if y is inversely proportional to x, that means we should represent it something like this, and then we can replace the 1 with k. Yep, so that's our general equation. Now we'll add in the values to find the value for k. We'll add in the knowns for x and y. For example, when x is 10, then y is 20, as they have shown us in the table. So we'll add these values within the original equation. So y equals k over x, and then we can replace y with the value which is 20, and then k will remain k over 10. Now 10 is being divided here, so I'll go to the left side, it will be multiplied. So k is equal to 20 into 10, so k is equal to 200. So our general equation will become y is equal to 200 over x. 200 divided by x. So that means that we can use this equation to solve any and every question that they throw at us. So let's use this equation to solve one of these two. So we have to find y when the value of x is equal to 2. Let's do it. Let's write the general equation first. Y equals 200 divided by x. Now y is the unknown. We'll equate that to 200 divided by, replace it by the value of x, which is 2. So 200 divided by 2, that will give us a value of 100. Let's try the other part now. What is y when, okay, so we have to find y, right? So what is y when x is equal to 6? Let's repeat the process. Write the original equation, which is y equals 200 over x, and we have to find x, so sorry, you have to find y. So y equals 200 divided by 6. We'll just simplify it. So 6 becomes 3, 200 becomes 100. So essentially y equals 100 over 3. Well, we could convert it into a mixed fraction, but I'm not going to do that. Well, it depends if the question requires us to, but I think this is fine. 100 over 3 is fine over here. Great, so we're done with the first two. Let's do question number 2. So the question says that z is inversely proportional to h. Let's write it. Z is inversely proportional to h. So we can also write it like z equals k over h. K is of course our constant of proportionality. So the question says when z equals 7 and h equals 4, we have to find the value of p when q equals 56. Actually, we have to find the value of z when h equals 56, right? Let's change it a bit. We have to find the value of z when h equals 56. Anyway, let's do it. Z, okay, we are done with the first step. When z equals to 7, h is equal to 4. So what I've done here is that I've replaced the value of z. I have replaced z by the value of z and h by the value of h. So now we'll be able to find the value for k. We'll just cross multiply. So k into 1 is k, 7 into 4 is 28. It is 28, right? Perfect, it's 28. Okay, so k equals 28, and then we're going to put it in the original equation. So we have a general one which we can use to solve all questions. So z equals 28 over 8. So that's our general equation. Great, we have the general equation. Now we can use that to solve the question. We have to find z when h equals 56. So z equals 28 over 8. 28 over 8. So z equals 28 over 56, which I am guessing will be 1 over 2. So we are done with the questions. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.